welcome back to my channel, The Makeup Phase. It has been such a long time since I filmed. It feels like forever, but it's been super crazy. So if you guys didn't know or don't follow me on Instagram, I have moved to a new place, so it's really busy with that and just trying to get like super settled in, because it's just been so nuts with work and everything else. So yeah, I've been just trying to find my center and trying to settle in and get my beauty corner back to where I need it to be. But we are here, and this is going to be the first video in my new place, and it is the unboxing. So unfortunately last month I was not able to do the stuff for August. It was insane. Again, with moving and everything else and having to pack, it was crazy. So let's get to it. I know I'm super late, but we know it is the Boxyluxe this month for September, and it is huge. Check that out. This is humongous and is loaded with so many great things. So I got a chance to kind of unwrap a lot of stuff so I wouldn't be playing around with it. But yeah, so let's dive in. This is the all access Boxyluxe September unboxing. So first on the list is Violet Voss, and this is Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. So here we go. This is what it's looking like, and if you haven't seen this, like the sneak peeks, it's looking super great. Look at these colors. Oh my god, the moment I saw it, I was like, I have to have this palette. It looks amazing. You have 5 matte shades, and then you have 5 shimmer shades. So plenty of color and shimmer to play around. I cannot wait to create my first look with this. So next is going to be Dr. Brandt Hydro Bionic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So here we go. This is what it is. Now I actually have not opened this one fully up, so we're about to see. And this is what she looks like. So this is a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture. Where was I? Moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe signs of irritation. So I'm quite curious to try this out. I usually don't do masks unless they're just like my normal masks. And then those usually come off. So, I mean, it shouldn't be any different than any other hydration mask I did. But again, I am very blown away by Dr. Brandt. I love a lot of their products, so I'm kind of really excited to try this one out. Next on the list is Hank and Harry, and this is Blickity Black Eyeliner. So here we go, and it's got a nice fine tip, as you can see. So let me add this here. So it's not super dark to begin with as you put it on. It's definitely one of those ones you want to build. So if you don't like a lot, this is really great, because it comes out like super watercolored. Or maybe I just needed to shake it up. But so far it looks like something I can build. But yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm excited to use it. I cannot wait. Next is Stila. And I love me an all-day lipstick by Stila because they are super great. I have tons of them, and I was super excited to get this one in particular. So I happened to get the Shimmery Patina. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but it's the shimmer one, and here it is. So she is a beauty. I actually haven't gotten a chance to try out the color because I've been waiting to do this, but look how gorgeous she looks, and she will stay all day which is one thing I love. So normally with them, I usually get the mattes, and I love them. I love how long they last and the color selection. They have really great color selection. So that is the Stila. Look at this. You can see as it's drying already. Just look at that shine. Oh my God, I cannot wait to use it. All right, next on the list is Tarte, and this is Park Avenue Princess Palette. So she is shiny, look at that. When I saw that, I was like, oh, another palette. I did not see this, but it is gorgeous. So as you can see here, super gorgeous, perfect for shading of all kinds. You got a shimmer shade, you got a nice contouring shade, well, shades here. Definitely wants to add just a little bit more bronze and stuff to brighten up. So I am so excited. You definitely have colors for every type. You have a pink shade, you have some with a light yellow hint, and then some bronziness with a little shimmer. So again, really, really great palette so far. I cannot, again, wait to use it with this other one and create an awesome, awesome look. All right, next is Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Now, I love Sunday Riley, but I have actually not had a chance to try as either a sample before or this one, but I do love the Good Jeans. I think it's really great on the skin, and I cannot wait to get this one to use. It seems like it's going to be a really great product. So as you can see, I haven't even opened it up. Oh, it smells like cucumbers, which is amazing. And it feels amazingly hydrating. It's just like water, but like just seeps into your skin. Oh, I am so excited to try this one. I cannot. This will be a great addition to my skincare. Alrighty, so we are knocking this unboxing out. Again, I know I say this all the time, but if you guys don't have the subscription to Boxycharm, just in general, Boxycharm, you're missing out. Like, I know there's like a dozen of them out there, but if you really love a combination of makeup, skincare, and new like little things, I highly recommend doing it. I highly recommend doing the Boxyluxe because you get a lot of amazing things. All right, so next on the list is Sutra, and this is Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip. So I'm gonna pull this out of the bag. And here we go. So I'm assuming this is the Cool Tip, which is always great. It has a nice handling, and I like that the barrel's a little bigger. So like, especially for someone who has like longer hair, it's nice to create a nice looser wave for me. So I cannot wait to use this. This is gonna be super exciting to try out. And then we're down to our last one. And this is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. Now this is for your hair. It's a hydrating balm for your hair. And yeah, who doesn't love anything that's gonna be hydrating for your hair? It's vegan, cruelty free and vegan free, provides UV protection, and it is petroleum and mineral oil free as well, along with parabens, sulfates, and all those ugly things that we don't want. So it's just as great as a leave-in conditioner, but it just will not pull that hair down. So cannot wait. Yes, and I'm sure it smells amazing. Yes, it does. So I cannot wait to try this out. I think it's gonna be really, really great. And that was the sum of it. So imagine I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, full-size products, full size, not like little tiny things, full-size products, and it was incredible. It is definitely, definitely incredible, and I've been in love since the moment I signed up. And I tell people all the time, like, it's one of those things, you have to do it. You have to do it. I know I've been talking a lot. You can tell I have not been in the camera in a while, so I have lots to say. And if you guys haven't noticed, there is the new Boxycharm Premium, which I am also signed up for because I have to know what is happening. So as soon as they roll those things out, I cannot wait as well. Like, this has been by far the best money spent in gaining new products and stuff that I really like. So usually if it's something that I don't think I'm going to use or something I've tried and doesn't work for me, I give it away. Like, I really do. I give it to people I know, people who I think that could use it far better than I can. Like, so it's not bad at all for me. So I'm constantly giving people stuff as well, and I'm just getting more and more things. So it's been really, really great. And I think that's everything. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. I try not to make it too long. And until next time, stick around. Not stick around, but I'll see you next time on my new look for fall. So bye, my loves.